Hi, I'm Patrick DeFeo with DeFeo Luxury Properties. Welcome to 5513 Little Path Drive in Wimauma, Florida, located in a premier 55 plus resort style community. This stunning 2023 built home features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and over 2,100 square feet of open concept living. Designed for both comfort and entertaining, the interior flows seamlessly from the elegant entry into the heart of the home. You'll love this gourmet kitchen featuring a large center island, solid surface countertops, and premium finishes throughout. The spacious living area is perfect for hosting guests or relaxing, with plenty of natural light and high-end touches. Your private primary suite offers a peaceful retreat with a spacious layout, walk-in closet, and a luxurious master bath. Enjoy the Florida lifestyle year-round on your covered lanai, plus a versatile bonus room for your office or hobby space. And the lifestyle is unmatched. Access the Southshore Bay Lagoon and incredible resort amenities just steps from your door. Schedule your private showing today. Call me at 941-518-0708 or visit tampahomeselling.com. This is more than a home, it's a lifestyle.